Welcome to Elzar, a place where creativity knows no bounds and self-expression takes center stage. If you have a passion for henna or simply enjoy the art of self-expression, this is the perfect space for you. Here, we celebrate the beauty of imperfection and the joy of creating. Henna is not about being an expert or striving for perfection. It's about embracing the process, enjoying the journey, and finding pure happiness in every stroke. Whether you're a seasoned henna artist or just starting out, there's something magical about the world of henna. It's a form of art that anyone can enjoy, regardless of skill level. So, don't worry if your lines aren't perfectly straight or your designs aren't flawless. The beauty of henna lies in its uniqueness and personal touch. I believe that henna is a way to express yourself, celebrate your individuality, and have fun along the way. I'm here to inspire and encourage you to explore your creativity, try new designs, and experiment with different techniques. Join my community, where everyone is welcome, and every design is celebrated. Share your journey, connect with others who share your love for art, and be inspired by their creativity. Through this step-by-step tutorials and helpful tips, I'll guide you on your henna adventure. But remember, the most important thing is to enjoy yourself. Let henna be your creative outlet, a source of relaxation, and a way to express your unique style. Henna is a canvas for self-expression, a reflection of your personality and interests. Whether you're adorning your hands for a special occasion, expressing your cultural heritage, or simply indulging in some self-care, let your henna designs tell your story. So, grab your henna cones, let your imagination run wild, and create designs that make you smile. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, embrace the happy accidents, and find beauty in every unexpected twist and turn. Together, let's celebrate the love for henna, one imperfectly perfect design at a time. Until next time, keep spreading the henna love and enjoy the beautiful moments of creating. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and henna joy. Happy hennaing!